Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can change the video speed of your in-game recordings and videos on Metal TV. So let us guide you through this. Head over to the given video clip in the editor on Metal TV, and here on the timeline guys, move the playhead, and you can go to the very beginning of the video clip or set a split, for example, to speed up the video at one point. So let's assume, for example, I would like to speed the video up at the 2-second mark here, right? So move the playhead there, create a split here by using this button. And for this selected video clip, or for the other one, depends. So I will go with this one here, increase the video speed here by navigating to the general tab and switch from 1, which is the default speed, to 0.5 or 1.5. And then you will see also that the video clip has been is now shorter, or the duration is shorter here on the timeline, which makes sense. So you will need to move all the other parts of the video clip so that there is not a gap here, right? So in this case here, guys, this part of the video clip will be played with the faster speed here, right? You can also go with 2 or adjust the slider there, and that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.